Okay, fam, so for all of my ladies out there that are tired of paying all that money and spending money at the salon, this is the key for you right here. This is an all-in-one press-on manicure set put up by a company named JOFAY. Yes, honey, JOFAY fashion. So the set contains 24 pieces of almond press-on nails. This kit also comes with nail glue, a nail file, a cuticle pusher, and nail pads. I was like, nail glue, honey? I couldn't believe this thing came with nail glue because the girl had her nail glue ready and on deck. Okay, baby? So, of course, you want to have your nails laid out and everything so that you don't have to size it every time you put your nail on. Just have them already sized out, and then you're just gonna glue and go, honey, okay? So while I continue to file my nail, let's get into the rest of the details on these nails, honey, because these are full coverage false nails. They're made of high quality acrylic material and gel. Yes, honey, and gel. The nail pieces are very strong and flexible. The tips of the nail pieces are not easily to break either, so I'm absolutely in love with that. Like JOFAY fashion, y'all really got it going on. Like these fake nails are designed according to the radiant and thickness of the female nail, which I believe is actually a plus because it makes it more tapered to the cuticle design. So let's go ahead and get into the rest of what's going on right here. So what you want to do is just buff the nail down, and of course you want to get rid of the shine on your nail, and that's what I'm doing right here. Once that is complete, we're going to go in with some alcohol, and the alcohol really doesn't matter. I just picked some up from the Dollar Tree and threw it into a spray bottle that had alcohol in it previously, and that's pretty much what you want your nails to look like a dusty coffin, okay? After that, you're going to want to spray these nails down, get them nice and wet, because that's what's going to dehydrate them is the alcohol, okay? And that's very important. So after you do that, you're just going to wipe them down and to the point where they look like this, honey, okay? Nice and dry, nice and dry. After that, we're going to go ahead and put that glue on, and we're just going to press down, honey, because that's what they are. They are press-on nails, yes. And they are looking fire, sis. Like, they are looking really, really good. Like, I'm absolutely loving their nail design. Like, JOFAY fashion really has some really good design nails, and right now you can save 6% on these nails. And you already know, sis, I'm definitely going to be leaving the link down below for you guys so you guys can go ahead and pick this up. They are a store located on Amazon, so you already know Amazon has the best stuff, okay? And I'm here to show it to you, okay, sis? I'm here to showcase this to you, baby. Look at them nails, and that's without polish, okay? So yes, I decided to be a little bit extra, and I am going over this with some gel polish. So if you guys have this at home, feel free to do this. I'm literally going over with a top coat of UV gel, and that is to make it shine, honey. But if you like your nails matte, then go right ahead and leave them the way they are. They look absolutely beautiful without the shine. But for me, I really love this shine on the nails. I just feel like it does the polishing it needs to do. What am I still talking for? What are you waiting for, sis? Go ahead. Pick them JOFAY fashion nails up today.